Hey everyone. So in this video, I'm going to be going over the new game mode called Softcore. It's coming out February 4th, as seen on the screen. It's going to be coming out with the February patches updates. And kind of, Alistair kind of hinted on what it is January 30th. And it's basically a noob-friendly game mode. They're going to have official servers, but community and modded servers can also do it with a flag or variable. And the main key component is that when you die, you only lose about 50% of your what's in your inventory, but you do lose whatever you're wearing. Um, yeah, so let me jump in. So Rustafied is the only information I was able to find on it. They got the connections, it seems. So thanks to them for this little guide that I'm gonna go over, and I'll link it in the description. But like I said, it's a new game mode. It's activated once you run the flag. I keep saying flag. I mean the variable. It basically I think it automatically sets the team size to 4 when you turn on the mode, and it also sets the TC auth to 4 also. Um, and I think it's going to be great for noob friendly servers. I know more experienced players are probably going to hate it. You know, like if you kill someone with an AK, you got a 50% chance of actually getting that AK. Um, and I know there's some things in here. I'll go through all of them, but like whatever you're wearing, you drop. So I mean, I don't know if people are going to exploit that by taking everything off before they die. Um, and yeah, so let's see. So I already covered what it is. It comes out February 4th. And Alistair did say it is kind of new and experimental, so expect changes. Highly experimental and aim to soften the Rust experience. I think the main reason this came out is because the influx of players from OTV, offline TV, making the game so popular, and a lot of noobs come in, and then it's all these noobs versus these people with 5,000 hours, and they're just getting demolished. So I think this is more for the new people coming in to learn and to kind of maintain them. They don't want to see this high flux of people and then it drops after a month. They want to maintain these people, which I'm all about. Keep the population up. So let's see. So the main thing, spawn in safe zones. So in a softcore game mode, when you die, you'll have 2 new beds, and they'll be at the bandit camp and the compound. And it'll have the same timer as a regular bed, and you'll just have 2 options to spawn there. And really, the main reason for spawning there, it's like, why would I spawn there instead of my base? Is when you die, 50% of the loot is reclaimed at the reclamation center, and it's right next to where you spawned. It's probably going to be like a little. There it is, right there. There's a picture. Looks like a little vendor. So you'll probably spawn somewhere over here, and you just go get your stuff back. So that's the main key component of it. I'm curious if there's gonna be a lot of campers outside the safe zones now, just waiting for people coming out. I guess we'll see. That might be one of the downsides to it. But yeah, so the main thing is you can spawn in safe zones. You get 1 bed at each safe zone. Everybody on the server will have that option. And you can recover everything lost. And it stacks. So once you die, it'll stay in the reclaim vending machine for 2 hours. So if you do want to spawn back at your base, you could run back and get it an hour and a half later or something. And it does say that it is randomized. So it seems, I probably need more testing, but it seems like it is completely random. According to this document, that anything you're wearing is 100% lost, and then everything in your bag, you lose about 50% of your bag, I think is what it's saying, and it's just completely random, so luck of the draw, I guess. And it says here, how does it work? Whenever you die, it's transferred from your body to the reclamation terminal, and it can be accessed at any bandit town or compound. Let's see what else it says here. Yeah, and it says what items are saved. It seems like it's just half your items, 50-50. The hot bar items are the same, and anything you're wearing is completely lost. And you can accrue items. So if you die, you go to the compound and you go reclaim all your items, and then you die again. Um, you'll lose half again. But if you spawn somewhere else and you keep dying, all those items will keep accruing there. So if you spawn back at your base and you're trying to defend your base and you die again, going back to reclamation center, we'll have a bunch of items there. 2 hours. Oh, here it is. 42 slots. So there is a maximum. So 42 slots in the reclamation center. Let's see. Also, however you die by a bear or a wolf. You fall off a cliff. It doesn't matter how you die. It's going to be in the reclamation center. Let's see what else. And I think that's it. And then also that kind of comes with this game mode is the team size. It sets it to 4. And I know the normal default's 8 in vanilla Rust. So, yeah. So I think they're kind of hinting at, noob friendly server, smaller group sizes. It's hard for a noob to come into the server and maybe he's with his buddy, a duo or a solo, and it's just like really hard for these beginners to learn. So I think that's why they set it to 4. And the same thing for the auth limit. They don't want alliances to be made. Let's see. Yeah. And like I said before, it's experimental. So this might be changed up. It might be a bust. It might be like little pieces changed. There might be exploits that they didn't take into consideration, like camping the towns or setting a hotkey to remove all your clothes right before you die or something. Let's see. So yeah, so community servers are able to flag this. I have another video on how to do it. It's just game mode.set softcore. You just run it in the console or the Archon console, or you just append your server.config file. And you just put that, and it should automatically do it. You could do it live without restarting, like any other variable you run. So I'm excited to do this. I'm seriously considering doing it on my server if you want to come check it out. And again, it starts February 4th. So hope you got some info out of this. Have a good one, guys.